Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Kia Sportage. The most common way to secure your vehicle is by using the lock button on your key fob. A single press will lock all the doors, and if you press it twice within 2 seconds, you'll activate the alarm system, confirmed by a quick horn sound. You'll also see the hazard lights blink once to indicate that your Sportage is safely locked. For those with a smart key, locking your Sportage is even more convenient. Simply ensure your smart key is within about 1 meter or 40 inches of the door handle. Then, press the small button on the outside handle to lock all doors. If the smart key is accidentally left inside the vehicle or a door is open, the system will alert you with a 3-second chime, preventing you from locking your keys in. What if your key fob battery dies or your car battery is flat? Don't worry, you can still manually lock your Sportage. First, release the mechanical key from your fob by pressing the small button. Then, pull out the driver's door handle and use the key blade to gently pry off the small cover on the handle. Insert the mechanical key into the exposed lock cylinder and turn it towards the front of the vehicle to secure the driver's door. Always double-check that your Kia Sportage is fully locked by pulling on the door handles or observing the hazard light flash. If your key fob isn't responding, it might need a new battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell. Replacing it is a simple process. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Keeping your Sportage secure is easy with these methods, ensuring peace of mind every time you leave your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.